This huge and sprawling location is known for its production of munitions and also the multiple accidents that caused the death of multiple workers of this company. One had 1,000 rounds going off and injuring and killing other workers. 3 separate occasions employees fell into the molten metal. In 1905 one of the buildings exploded and killed 3 men. Due to prolonged contact with the lead dust, others were slowly poisoned. In 1942 the factory experiences yet another accident when a large explosion killed 7 workers and injured 100 more. Some reported that the accident was intentional and the cause was people protesting the war.